Orsu, ụmụnne ihe ha bugoro welera mmụọ anyị ha bụ ndị Abakaliki esi Abakaliki wee bịa rie everybody si gị gbume nwanne gị mana be ha onwe na-egbu ibe ha tiri anyị sit at home mana be ha onye bụ na-akpagharị abịa na Abakaliki enwe sit at home besamalịkpa eje afari beku enwe sit at home. They are moving normally. And not the true forgiving. And not the divine. For the past 5 years. For the past Afisegaraga. Of getting to 6 years. I got number of Orsu, ụmụnne ihe ha bugoro welera mmụọ render family use render agbataobi use also have lost so much property destroyed on the name of Biafra. Innocent people have been one year. For the past 5 years, almost 90 Fulani no more here. One Fulani man, our brothers, one leg worker, you go back again and hands or Allah. As soon as one leg you could not sacrifice, and then one opportunity to right the wrong. A brain as much as people involved. Manda who collaborator. Manda Baris. Manda Profone. Go here the as much as who did not come here today. After today, all the security, my police, my vigilante, all the security apparatus, all of us must declare them wanted. Yes. Oh no, Mronya naturally in your open place, arrest. But only not here, and still have more to hide. Some of them they not here. Activities while you are in that list already know with DSS. Opportunity is to free yourself, to tell the truth no matter how difficult it was. Obanuru na ebere gwa la tisi demesi ebe na benga gwise noche. Tupu ya onya hoku after today. We need to help ourselves and right the wrong. As a Fulani Nasuefi, buying Ugu, and you are Ugu. I have Bunda Abakaliki, a Sia Abakaliki, where you rear everybody. Singing Buma one leg, Manabaha, or may we there. Till I sit at home, Manabaha, or you're not bad. Abena Abakaliki, and sit at home. Besamalịkpa. Eje afari beku, and sit at home. They are moving normally. And you buru iberibe, nzuzu. We put na bani na develop. And you have here one before. That's another day. Ihe Ibrahim o take a lot of effort into the mosque